that?
No 8
แป๊บนึง
นี่แป๊บหนึ่ง
Lemon.
Bananas are not that bad, right?
Ugh.
งับไองับ
Yeah, you're.
not hurt อ่ะ
Oh, she thought it'd be a good
ไอ
idea to raid
นี้
the ants and eat one of them.
อ่า
So these are weaver ants that taste of lemon. And she said, "Do you want to open their nest so we can get the eggs out?" And I said, "No, let them carry on." So they are put in there, and there's another weaver ant nest there. So they're supposed to be very delicious and nutritious, very high in protein. So more on the ants later. She's just eaten one of them, so they're one down. Enjoy, and we shall see you shortly. We are off to Jom Tien Night Market. Mickey Mau wants to get a couple of bits, so we shall live stream from there, subject to DTAC giving us a good signal on the other phone, and then into some old haunts in Soy 7.